Today we'll talk about how can you enable mentions notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, you click in this sign down here. So then you come to your profile here, then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. You come to next CPR, then you click here on notifications. You come to next CPR, then you click here on Threads injury place, you just click on it. Then you go down here, so you come here to additional options in system settings. So then you click here on notification categories. You go down, you come here to mentions. Click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's main mentions notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.